Yo, what's up guys? So I'm doing a quick review. This car is a 2009 Toyota Urban Cruiser. So because this vehicle is not taxed currently, so I can't drive it, I just want to do a quick review of the interior of the vehicle, because it's already almost getting dark, so it's gonna be a quick video, and yeah, nothing much to say. So this is what a Toyota 2009 Urban Cruiser looks like. So I believe the 2009 and the 2010 model, they all are almost the same stuff. So I'll say Toyota 2009 Urban Cruiser / 2010. So this is what the interior looks like. As you can see, for the seats, we don't have leather seats, so we have the standard seats materials, not leather, and we have a leather hand adjustment, and also it's a hand adjustment with a storage, the mini storage in it. And this is a manual transmission, so you can see the hand brakes, and we have the gear shift. It's a 6-speed manual. So right now the AC is currently on because the heating is currently on because it's kind of freezing outside. It's almost about 8 degrees outside, if I'm not wrong. So it's really cold outside. So this is what the interior looks like, and you can see there's a lighting, 2 front lights, interior lights, you can see, and you have the general light here for the passenger, just a one standard light at the center. So this is what it looks like. And we have the infotainment system, which you could tune to radio. This one takes CD, so you can put a CD here, and it also takes Bluetooth, and it has an FM radio, AM and FM as well. And you can see the odometer. You can see. You see it has miles per hour and kilometers per hour. So the one in the small ones in the center is kilometer per hour, while the bigger ones are miles per hour. So the dashboard is not that interesting with so many features. It's just plain and simple. And here we have the fuel gauge, so it tells how much fuel is left. And here it shows the amount of miles. So this car currently has 417,657 miles. So, and here this is an aftermarket speedometer, cheap. You can get this on Amazon for even for £5. You can get one. So this is what it looks like. And here we have the driver's central control, which the driver has the controls of all the windows, and also the central locking, and also the window locking, so as the driver lock the windows and no window able to go down. So that's what it looks like. And you also have the mirrors here. You could control the mirrors, and it also has, I think, heated mirrors as well. And it has folded mirrors, but it's not automatic, it's manual. You need to press it manually for the mirrors to fold. And also has voice control here, but I haven't tested that feature, but it works because it's here. And on the steering wheel we have to control your infotainment system. Maybe you're listening to music, or maybe on the radio you can change the radio station, or you can change the music to the next music. You can increase the volume, and also you have the mode here. You choose if you want jazz, pop, or whatsoever. It's up to whoever is in control to decide whatever they want to listen to. Yeah, it's a old, not that old, guys. This car is more than 10 years old, more than 15 years old, but I think the specs as of 2009 is really good. And I'll say, yeah, the interior is quite decent. Yeah, we have got some plastics here. Yeah, it's quite standard cheap plastics, not premium, just normal plastic. And so that's the back section of the car. So it's quite dark now. There's not really much to do for me to show, but this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do a quick tour of the outer part of the car. So I'm just gonna turn off the engine. I think I'm just gonna leave the engine running, but no, I'm gonna turn it off because I need to open the doors. So rather than wasting fuel, I'm gonna turn off the engine. So the engine is turned off now. So let's have a quick look at the exterior of the car. So this is what it looks like. So it's like an SUV, but not really an SUV. It's a hatchback, but with the body of an SUV. I'm trying to put the folded mirrors, so okay. So I'm not trying to show the number plate because the car is about to be sold, so the new owner, it's not gonna be good for me to put the number plate out there in public. So this is what it looks like from this angle. So let's take a look at the boot. This is what the boot looks like. Got some spare engine oil in the boot. Got some spare tires here as well. Number plates. Spare number plates. I didn't want to show the number plates, but there's no big deal with anybody seeing the number plate. So this is what it looks like. Let's have a look at the back. So it's just a small hatchback, but with the body of an SUV. I think the legroom is kind of decent. So this is a better angle of the vehicle. You can see it's a better angle. So that's a quick review of the Toyota Urban Cruiser 2009. It's a decent car and I love the driving. You know, Toyota are known for their reliability. So anyone who has ever driven a Toyota vehicle can testify. So you can see Toyota Urban Cruiser 2009. So I have actually driven this car from London, from Manchester to London, so I know how it drives like. It's a Toyota vehicle I would recommend for anyone looking to drive a Toyota. It's a very good vehicle, reliable. It has 117 miles on the clock. If you need something like this, let me know. Drop a comment in the comment section. If you want me to review any other vehicle, let me know in the comment section and I'll try to do that. And if there's any other, if there's any other vehicle you want me to check out or review, then let me know. But as of now, I think that's just all I wanted to show. I haven't got so much in details because you can see it's currently dark, so I didn't have a lot of time to do the reviews because probably this guy is gonna be leaving in the morning, so the only chance I had was actually now. So that's it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video, and do make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.